order. A piper met had gone to fight, and speared what was the corder. The scornfully she answered him, begone, you Hallen shaker, jog on your gait, ya bladder state. My name is Maggie Lauder. Maggie Cohen, no by my backs, a faint and faintly seedy. Sit down by me, my bonny bird, in troth I would steer thee. For I'm a piper tame, a trade, my name is Rob the Ranter. The lassies laugh as they were daft when I blow up a chanter. Running order. If you be Rob, I've heard you live you upon the border. The lassies are be far and near have heard Rob the Ranter. I'll shake my fat with right good will, give you blow up your chanter. And then to his bags he flew with speed, about the drone he twisted. Make up and wallop tar the green, for brawly coachy frisket. We'll done quite play up, pushy, we'll bob for Rob the Ranter. It's what my wild day play indeed, when I set a dancer. Your cheeks are like a crimson. There's none in Scotland place a will, since we've lost Harvey Simpson. I've lived in Fife, Beth maiden wife, these 10 years and a quarter. Ye should come to Innsmouth fair, speed ye for Maggie Lauder.